All right, guys, I'm so excited to show you this Lancome PR haul. So it's been a minute. I'm a little tardy to the party, but better late than never. Do y'all see all those goodies? First, they started off with some like makeup remover, okay? Then some youth activating serum, mascara, SPF 50, and a liner. I'm here for it all. But wait, they had me at the little push down thing on the lipstick. I don't even know what to call that, but y'all see that? Now it's a lot of nude colors. Some of them lighter than what I'm kind of used to or what I normally grab for or reach for, but it gets better. It gets better, right? So that's pink. I can also kind of mix them with something else. I could wear a deep liner, put some gloss on top or whatever. But anyway, matte is my fave. But with that bright color, can't go so matte. But all of these are matte. But here we go. It's getting a little bit deeper. Got a little more of a peachy nude here. Uh-oh. And it gets better. Do y'all see that? That little reddish. Then we got brown. I love a good brown lipstick. I will wear it year round. And then it gets even deeper. What? Got a little blackberry, you know what I'm saying? A little berry in the mix. But there you go. Hope you enjoyed.